Stop relying on the built-in apps on your smart TV because, honestly, you are barely scratching the surface of what your home theater is capable of. And today we're going to expose exactly why the Apple TV 4K is not just a streaming box, but the most powerful, misunderstood piece of technology in your entire house. Most people think this is just a way to watch Netflix or YouTube, but if you dig deeper into the architecture, the bitrate capabilities, and the hidden ecosystem features that Apple doesn't advertise on the box, you realize this device is actually a stealth gaming console and a smart home hub disguised as a simple black puck. We need to talk about the reality of modern television interfaces because almost every smart TV sold in the United States today, whether it is from Samsung, LG, or Sony, is harvesting your data and slowing down your processor with ads and bloatware that you cannot remove. The moment you switch to the Apple TV 4K, particularly the latest generation with the A15 Bionic chip, you are essentially bypassing that sluggish, ad-filled nightmare and injecting the raw power of an iPhone directly into your living room wall. You have to understand that the processor inside this box is overkill for streaming, and that is exactly the point. While a Fire Stick or a Chromecast struggles to load high bitrate 4K UI elements, the Apple TV renders the interface at a native 60 frames per second with a fluidity that makes your television feel twice as expensive as it actually is. Let's dive into the visual fidelity because there is a massive misconception that 4K is the same across all devices, but that is simply a lie driven by marketing. The Apple TV 4K handles color science and bitrate decoding differently than the native apps on your TV, specifically when it comes to Dolby Vision and HDR10 Plus profiles. When you stream a high-fidelity movie on the Apple TV, the device is managing the dynamic tone mapping in real time, preventing the crushed blacks and blown-out highlights that you often see on cheaper streaming sticks. There is also the feature that nobody talks about enough, which is the color balance tool that uses the Face ID sensors on your iPhone to calibrate your TV's color output perfectly without you needing to buy professional calibration tools. This creates a level of color accuracy that is usually reserved for studio reference monitors, and it takes seconds to set up. But the visuals are only half the story because the audio processing stack in this device is what truly separates it from the competition. We're talking about spatial audio with dynamic head tracking, a feature that completely changes how you consume content if you are in the Apple ecosystem. If you put on a pair of AirPods Max or AirPods Pro, the Apple TV creates a virtual surround sound system that is terrifyingly realistic, locking the dialogue to the screen even when you turn your head, simulating a multi-$1,000 Dolby Atmos theater setup in complete silence so you don't wake up the neighbors. Moving beyond just watching movies, we have to address the elephant in the room, which is the smart home integration and the future of the connected home over IP, also known as Matter. The Apple TV 4K is not just a receiver. It is a thread border router, which means it creates a self-healing mesh network for all your smart lights, locks, and sensors, operating independently of your Wi-Fi router to ensure that your smart home never goes offline. This is crucial for the US audience where smart home adoption is massive. Having a hub that processes your voice commands and automation locally on the device rather than sending them to a cloud server means your privacy is protected and the response time is instantaneous. Then there is the gaming aspect, which Apple has been quietly building toward for years. With the A15 chip, this device outperforms the Nintendo Switch in terms of raw graphical compute power. And with Apple Arcade, you're getting console-quality titles that run flawlessly with a PlayStation or Xbox controller connected via Bluetooth. You can literally switch from watching a 4K HDR movie to playing a high frame rate racing game in 2 seconds without any loading screens, a feat that no other streaming stick can even dream of attempting. However, we need to talk about what is coming next and the leaks that are currently circulating regarding the future of tvOS and the hardware roadmap. Because if you're thinking about buying one now, you need to know this. Industry insiders are suggesting that Apple is working on a hybrid device that combines the Apple TV with a HomePod and a FaceTime camera, effectively turning your TV into a massive communication portal. But even without new hardware, the software updates are unlocking features that turn the current box into a powerhouse. For example, The integration with Apple Fitness Plus uses the sensors in your Apple Watch to display your heart rate and burn bar in real time on the screen, gamify your workout in a way that Peloton charges thousands of dollars for. But here it is, just a software feature. We also have to discuss the continuity camera feature, which allows you to wirelessly use your iPhone as a webcam for the TV, enabling Zoom calls and FaceTime on the biggest screen in your house with center stage tracking that follows you around the room. This level of ecosystem integration is what creates the walled garden, but honestly, inside the garden, the grass is much greener. Let's look at the user interface design philosophy, because tvOS is arguably the cleanest operating system in existence. There are no autoplay video ads on the home screen, no laggy menus, and the aerial screensavers are literally 4K slow-motion drone footage shot specifically for Apple that changes based on the time of day. It sounds like a small detail, but these screensavers have become iconic because they turn your TV into a moving piece of art rather than a black void in your living room. The remote control, which used to be the most hated object in the tech world, has been completely redesigned into a solid block of recycled aluminum with a touch-sensitive click pad that allows you to scrub through video timelines with pixel-perfect precision. This jog wheel motion is a throwback to the original iPod, and it is the most intuitive way to fast-forward or rewind that has ever been invented. Plus, the remote now controls your TV power and volume via IR and HDMI-CEC, meaning you can finally throw away that cheap plastic remote that came with your television. Finally, we have to answer the ultimate question. Is it worth the premium price tag when you can get a Roku for $25? The answer lies in the longevity and the resale value. An Apple TV 4K bought today will likely still be receiving software updates 5 or 6 years from now, whereas most smart TV interfaces are abandoned by manufacturers after 2 years. You are paying for the privacy, the speed, the ecosystem lock-in, and the assurance that your viewing habits aren't being sold to third-party data brokers. When you combine the Ethernet port for gigabit speeds, the thread networking for future-proofing, and the sheer processing headroom of the A-series chips, the Apple TV 4K is the only streaming device that respects your time and your intelligence. It transforms the television from a passive display into an active, high-performance computer for your living room. So if you're tired of lag, tired of ads, and tired of smart home that doesn't work, this is the upgrade you've been waiting for. And frankly, once you switch, you will never be able to go back to a standard smart TV interface ever again.